Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz of Flair Auto Group, and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I just wanted to do a quick startup for you guys of our Cadillac CTS V. This one's the model with the 3.6 liter V6 motor. It is twin turbocharged, produces about 420 horses, rear wheel drive, a lot of fun to drive, and it gets you 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, just going to close this down. It's got a beautiful pearl white color outside, and interior is a gorgeous brown interior. It's loaded with features. Now this one does have a remote start. I believe this vehicle has about 97,000 miles. A very simple, subtle start. So with it starting the way it is, kind of, I believe, what they call a sleeper vehicle. You can't really tell it's got a lot under the hood, but man, this thing has some power. Noticeable amount in the trunk space. You get keyless entry as an option, and the door handles actually do illuminate at night, if I'm not mistaken. It's definitely a premium interior. Also, passengers in the back get to enjoy their own climate control unit as well as heated seat options. And here's a quick view of the front end. It's got a really modern design. With it being a 2014, it looks really sharp. You also get blind spot detection. Panoramic sunroof, keyless entry. It's got a lot, man. This thing's so loaded, it can even parallel park itself for you guys. Let me show you guys the dash real quick. Full electronic dash, so you can kind of customize the settings a bit. You have this as well as a backup camera. All right, folks, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.